Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back on another important mission. Today, I'm looking for shapes. I want to find a square, a circle, and a triangle. Let's do it. Check it out, my cuzzies. I found our first circle. Yay! Let's go find a square. Come on. Wow, come on. Oh. Oh. I think I found a square. Check this out. It's a square. Come on, we got one more to find, whānau. Papatoru, a triangle. Come on, whānau, let's go. I think I can see it, my cuzzies. Come on. Oh, check it out. We found it, my cuzzies. It's a tapatoru, a triangle. Yeah, have an amazing day. Ka kite.